Promotion Studio Workshop.
Action! I'm reporting live from the Festival of the Girl 2025.
The Festival of the Girl is created for 7 to 11-year-old girls, and it is all about breaking down harmful gender stereotypes.
It teaches you so many great things.
Clapperboard is really fun. You have to say action.
Our studio workshop is all about igniting curiosity in the girls
Action.
so that they can follow a career in technical production where men outnumber women by more than 2 to 1.
This is the record button here.
We've been working with media clients for over 20 years.
It gives us a lot of confidence that our values are really aligned.
Do you want to try to be the camera operator?
The partnership with Sister Motion brings the two things together.
Can you see how she's doing it?
From an industry perspective, you can only ever be what you can see.
I can see a camera.
Loads of lights.
It's a sticky yappy thing above me.
It looks so cute. I just want to hug them and tell them that like, no barriers exist and all these kinds of things that you're looking at today, they're possible.
Have you done anything today that you've never done before? I've never been in the studio and I'm really happy. Everyone hurry up please, we need to get going. My favourite part was being the director because I could tell everyone what to do.
As they got into the session, you could see how their confidence was building.
Has today made you think about any jobs you might want to do when you're older? I would like to be a scientist, criminologist, a farmer, an athlete, a shopkeeper, camera woman, to be a presenter.
And you want to sign up for the workshop?
Initiatives like this cannot happen without global sponsors such as CGI.
I felt really important. Wow. It's really crazy when I walked in. I've never been in a proper studio before.
Right, you want to press play?
This is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my life, and I really want to remember this moment.
This is such a fun experience and honestly, it just really warms your heart.
Nothing could be better than being a girl. That's a wrap.